The Indian Army's request for information for light tank procurement mentions requirement of 354 light tanks that the DRDO is developing with Larsen and Toubro. But according to a latest report, the Indian Army might be looking to procure nearly 700 light tanks in total, considering the length and breadth of line of actual control and line of control. The Chinese army has been attempting to create hotspots not only in the Ladakh sector, but all along the line of actual control, and has already inducted over 500 Type 15 light tanks to ensure better firepower in high-altitude regions, which may force the Indian Army to acquire more light tanks than it had previously estimated. To ensure quick delivery, the Indian Army will clear a proposal not only to acquire more light tanks, but also to allow a second production line by a private sector company, and the same defense partners might be chosen for the futuristic infantry combat vehicles, and will use the same modular platform to reduce costs. Germany's ThyssenKrupp Marine Systems will send key details of its proposal next month for local manufacturing of 6 advanced submarines for the Indian Navy in the country, and as per media reports, ThyssenKrupp Marine Systems is planning to offer an aggressive delivery schedule if India agrees to its request to not include Indian systems such as the DRDO-developed air-independent propulsion system, as the incorporation of the Indian system will affect the delivery program due to extensive trials that might be required to certify the systems. ThyssenKrupp Marine Systems will take responsibility for the delivery schedule of these submarines, and 4 submarines will be built by Mazagon Dock Shipbuilders, and 2 submarines by Larsen and Toubro. India will examine the German proposal, but has not planned to cancel Project 75I yet, since the Korean offer for KSS-3 might turn out to be way cheaper with support for the incorporation of Indian systems with transfer of technology to a local Indian shipyard. The Indian Air Force has signed the first IDEX contract for the procurement of Gaggan, an extremely high-resolution camera developed by Indian startup DV2JS that will be equipped on remotely piloted airborne vehicles. The Gaggan camera is made in India using Indian-made components and software, and is equipped with a 95-megapixel CMOS image sensor, which is modular and compact, so that it can be carried in hand or mounted on UAV, as it weighs less than 15 kilograms. The Special Forces of India and US are carrying out war games, with a focus on supporting fighter jet operations in forward areas, including designating targets in frontline areas by laser, so that the precision-guided munitions from fighter jets can reach their designated target accurately. The ground troops of both countries will join up with the Air Force contingent of both countries under Exercise Scope India 2023, that will see participation of F-15 Su-30 and Tejas fighter jets. The navies of US, India, Japan, South Korea and Canada have concluded the week-long Sea Dragon multinational exercise that is designed to practice and discuss anti-submarine warfare tactics using P-8I maritime aircraft to operate together in response to traditional and non-traditional maritime security challenges in the Indo-Pacific region. The aircrews practiced coordinated anti-submarine warfare evolutions against simulated and practice targets.